Do you know how to store pet materials more safely and efficiently? A racking system for storing pet materials needs to have excellent load-bearing capacity and stability. Below is an example of traditional shelving for storing pet materials, which often fails to fully utilize the vertical space of the warehouse. This not only results in inefficient inventory management but also causes precious space to be wasted. Next, OKE would like to share a successful case from Brazil. The client primarily deals with pet materials, and their warehouse dimensions are 70,000 mm in length, 40,000 mm in width, and 12,000 mm in height. After thorough communication with the client, we confirmed that our pallet racking system fully meets their needs. Below are real case images of OKE's pallet racking system. This system offers higher space utilization and greater load-bearing capacity. As a result, the client can maximize warehouse space, significantly improve operational efficiency, and ensure the safe and organized storage of pet materials. If you have any questions, feel free to contact OKE Storage, and our professional team will be happy to assist you and provide tailored solutions. After confirming the client's pallet dimensions as 1,000 mm in length, 1,200 mm in width, and 1,950 mm in height, with each pallet having a load-bearing capacity of 600 kg, OKE Storage provided professional design drawings. Based on these specifications, we customized a 5-tier pallet racking system for the client. The overall design increased the warehouse's space utilization by 88%. This solution not only resolves the space-wasting issue of traditional storage methods but also significantly enhances the warehouse's storage capacity and operational efficiency. Once the customer confirms the order, our professional order tracking team will work closely with warehouse managers to ensure smooth execution at every stage. From confirming material and factory times, and tracking production progress, to providing updated images of semi-finished and finished products. Our 15-member inspection team will meticulously check every detail to ensure accuracy in size, color, appearance, and other aspects. We will keep the customer informed with timely progress reports. Through a rigorous 5-step quality control process, we ensure every phase is carefully inspected, with every step from raw materials to finished products undergoing meticulous refinement. With quality upgrades and strict oversight at every level, we aim to provide customers with peace of mind and trust. If the customer requires SGS third-party inspection, we will provide a complete SGS inspection report to ensure the product quality is beyond doubt. After all production steps are completed, our team will oversee the final step: container load and shipping. Container shipping is not only a crucial part of our factory's quality control process but also a key step in safeguarding our customers' interests. With over 12 years of experience in container loading, OKE precisely calculates the loading capacity of each container to help customers maximize space utilization and reduce transportation costs. We guarantee that every container will be packed in the most organized manner, ensuring smooth unloading at the destination with no issues. Through this meticulous loading process, we ensure that products are delivered safely, smoothly, and efficiently to our customers.